The experience that we had with iBathrooms was very rewarding for both me and my husband. The work was the highest quality, great skill, great expertise, lots of experience with doing beautiful bathrooms. We wanted to have a spa-like theme in our bathroom, and the team was really able to help us pick out materials and shape the bathroom into something that had that kind of style, so that was very enjoyable to us. We appreciate the quality of the products. Everything is of the highest quality and works really well, functions well, custom design for where things were placed and what kinds of things were chosen. The work was done in a very timely fashion. The expectations that we had for how long it would take were met, and the price was very, very reasonable and followed the quote that we were given at the beginning, so that was very helpful. The materials that we had to choose from, there was a big variety of things. We really enjoyed that part of it. I would highly recommend choosing iBathrooms to do your bathroom renovation. We had great fortune in getting them to come and do our bathroom renovation for us. The work was very, very sound, happened in a very quick way. We really enjoyed working with them and picking out the materials, and the way that everything was done for us to our order and to our specifications was amazing.